I'm a computer science student at McMaster and I graduate in just 3 months. I've always wanted to get involved in the community, and now that the end is near, I decided to make it a priority. A dazzling concoction of modern sophistication and a splash of mysterious allure. What I do best right now is web development, so I thought I could find a local business that does not have a website and offer to make them one for free. I'm in my toasted everything bagel with cream cheese era, so I decided to focus my search on local cafes. Most businesses already have a simple website up, but I stumbled upon a potential candidate. Finn Coffee Bar, an established local favorite that does not have a website but already has some branding and a growing community that I can design around. Their Instagram seems to be their main form of marketing, so we can incorporate that somehow as well.
Anita Max win.
Surprisingly, their domain is available. What? Let me just grab that real quick. Yoink. Now, to improve my case, I'm going to put together a simple prototype that I can show them before getting started. I'm going with a simple design to try and match their aesthetic. It seems like this coffee sign is a landmark for the community, so we can incorporate that by putting a coffee banner at the top of the page. Since this is a cozy little cafe, we can grab a statement from the owner, which I think fits nicely on the front page. With hundreds of good reviews, it'd be a shame not to share what everyone loves about this place. So we'll throw up a moving carousel of reviews that'll make the visitors feel welcome. And of course, we'll display the address as well. Since they put a lot of care into their Instagram page, we can promote it by displaying a few of their recent posts. Next, we can tell the visitor a little about the cafe's history, followed by the main drinks menu, and lastly, the store hours. Alright, and that's it for the prototype. I think it looks pretty good, pretty cute. The final product would look more lively because it has some animation. But now we can shoot them a message and see if they're interested in a little trade. A website for some free coffee. Hello, I'm a comp sci student at McMaster, and I noticed that your store doesn't have a website. Unacceptable, I know. I can build and maintain a simple storefront for you in exchange for 1 free drink per week. Honestly, I'm never cashing those free drinks in. I live too far away, but no strings attached. I'll cover the domain, hosting, and any other fees. Blah blah blah. Let me know what you think. The prototype has been delivered, the offer has been made, and now we wait. While we're waiting, you could just hit that subscribe button. Might be fun, might be a nice little activity. I don't know, could change your life. Probably won't, definitely won't, but like, who knows, right? Anything could happen. Might be a fun little thing to do. You just click that button, the world might end. Actually, no. Unless you're into that, then just hit the button.